everyone. My name is Elizabeth E. Warren, and I am here today to talk about acrylic pens. Paint pens. They're quite nice. It's my first time using them this year with my students. I always thought that they would break down pretty quickly. The kids wouldn't be respectful of them, but there turns out to be a lot of pluses with these acrylic pens. So first, what we were doing with them this time around, we were painting rocks. So it is the Halloween season. So that was an acrylic paint job. Turned out very well, nice and smooth. I had painted the rocks first, either black or white with acrylic paint, just so they'd have a nicer background instead of just the rock. But they did a nice job, and the pens did really well, even just in a solid green. So, but what I would like to say about these pens, back to that, is to open them was a real challenge. So if you have younger children, you really want to pre-open these because each pen is individually wrapped. So when I busted them out, my group was there. We all had to slow down because we had to open them. And as you can see, you know, it's a wrapper, so why would it be easy? So after you fight with it for a while and you can finally get it off, then, you know, you're good to go. And the instructions are pretty clear after you get it open, which is shake, 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 shake. Then you tap the tip a few times to get that paint to come down to flow. And then you're set and off you go. So as you can see, difficult to open. Here's one already open. And I have one open so we could just see how it did on a rock, on its smoothness. So here's our black rock. And just to draw on it with this pen, which let's shake it up. And then let's tap, tap, tap. Oh yeah, the paint is flowing. And it seems now that I've used it before, the paint gets there a little quicker. And we're going to just see. Oh, well, this silver will not show up well on black. So let's see if there's another one open in here. Oh, here we go. This lovely lime green looks open. Oh, it is not though. Darn it. Well, here we go. The best thing about the acrylic pen is the cleanup, because in years past, we have done our rocks with paint, which then requires great cleanup of brushes and tables and students' hands. And in a drought situation, this could be the way to go. I recommend these pens for children, maybe 4th grade and up. Adult supervision would be recommended. Make sure when you're done, those snap back on or they'll dry up and then you won't have a dang thing. So overall, acrylic pens, very handy for small projects. I would not want to be painting a large thing because I think it would cost too much money. But for small projects, awesome, awesome, awesome. I would recommend these pens to your classroom for small art projects. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for watching. I'll be back next week with another review or project on something to deal with the after school world. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.